So my name is Timothy Piazza. I'm Assistant Professor of Engineering and Technology at JCC. My background is physics. I'm actually a nuclear physicist by training. I've also worked here locally in industry, in research and development, in engineering management, running a business, but all through my professional career, I've taught at JCC. I enjoy teaching. I had a lot of industrial experience in manufacturing. I spent half of my time at JCC teaching, but then half of my time working here at MTI, putting programs together, working with local manufacturers to design those programs and make sure they were relevant for local manufacturing, so the students who came here to MTI would be getting the right training they need. Advice that I would give to new students who are interested in pursuing engineering science is first, be curious. Be curious about how things work, how the world around you works. Second, take lots of math. You can't have too much math if you're going into engineering science. I always feel better after teaching, after interacting with the students. It's enjoyable, it's a lot of fun. I've got a tremendous amount of experience, and I like to share that with the students that we have. It's just very enjoyable.